Well, at Terraco, we're dedicated to crafting tailor-made, sustainable solutions in collaboration with our clients. And that's mainly to get a holistic perspective of their unique ideas and needs. So while addressing the pain points of our customers is of utmost importance to us, we in fact go one step further. By ensuring that the products and solutions that we provide will not have a negative impact on the environment, the people that install our products, as well as the inhabitants of the buildings in which our products are applied. This higher purpose is actually the foundation on which Terraco was founded. With a global presence spanning across 75 countries, Terraco's internationally certified systems prioritize safety, energy efficiency, and by extension, sustainability, while at the same time ensuring that we deliver unparalleled standards of quality and performance, making these type of solutions the perfect fit for any type of construction projects, no matter what the climatic conditions. To add to that, Terraco's sustainability-focused solution affords the property owner the ability to contribute to a positive impact on climate change. I'm sure we can all agree that we are living in very unique and volatile times, where energy costs are significantly increasing year on year. Terraco's tried and tested solutions will decrease the energy consumption within a building, which leads to substantial savings on heating and cooling costs. The safety of our clients is paramount at Terraco. That is why our fire retardant insulation systems can significantly reduce the risks of fire and enhance the overall safety of a building. Environmental responsibility is deeply ingrained in the DNA of our company values, so much so that our salespeople actually share this purpose when approaching our clients. We have a very wide range of renovation and retrofit solutions engineered for the efficient restoration of buildings. These solutions are not only designed to improve structural integrity, they also enhance the aesthetic appeal of the building, making them ideal for urban regeneration. So these solutions offer a wide range of benefits, including energy efficiency, improved functionality, while at the same time delivering higher standards of health and safety. One solution in particular, which is globally referred to as Exterior Insulation Finishing Systems, or EIFS as it's abbreviated, has gained particular popularity in recent times for its energy efficient and aesthetic properties. EIFS is a type of cladding system specifically designed to reduce energy consumption within a building by improving thermal performance, leading to a significant cost saving in heating or cooling depending on the geographical location. Due to the wide range of pigmented textured coatings that we are able to offer, we can significantly enhance the aesthetics of a building or a home. Furthermore, retrofitting with EIFS can also contribute to building code requirements for insulation and air barrier systems. Due to the versatile nature of this system, it can be applied to a variety of building types, including residential, commercial, and institutional buildings. So we can see that by utilizing Terraco's EIFS solutions, we are able to provide a number of benefits to help our customers build better, namely thermal efficiency, which translates to a cost reduction, but at the same time, which is an important point, is improve the overall aesthetics of the building.